targeting the US audience in Facebook Ads Manager is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can target the US audience for your Facebook Ads Manager. So for that, you have to open up your Facebook, and here you just have to click on this See More, and you have to click on this Ads Manager. And it will take you to new page, which will be your Ads Manager homepage. It is just being loaded, and now there you guys can see. Now here you just have to click on this setting, which will be on the bottom left corner. So if I click on setting, it will take me to another page. Now here you need to wait few seconds unless it loads a new setting, which will appear right here. And as you guys can see, these settings just appear. Now here you just have to click on this audience control. Now here you have to turn this on. My business can only advertise in specific locations. After turning it on, you have to select the location in which you want your Facebook Ads Manager to run. So you just have to type in USA. So I'm going to type in USA, and as you can see, United States just popped up. So if I click on that, as you guys can see, it takes me to the United States region. Here you just have to click on this review changes, and you just have to confirm it. What it will do is it will change the ads region or your Facebook Ads Manager region to United States. So whenever next time you will try to boost your post using Facebook ads, it will try to show these ads to the United States audience. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.